Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money using Midjourney Wirestock. And right now, I'm currently inside Wirestock. This is gonna be my portfolio landing page. Now, basically, Wirestock is just another platform where you can send images, even your personal photographs, not just AI images, okay? Any images you want. As you can see on this statement right there, upload your first shot, build your portfolio by uploading photos, videos, and vectors. You can sell everything here, including photos, videos, and vectors. Basically, it's just like Pinterest or Etsy. It's just another one of those platforms where you can sell images. Now, to get started here, of course, you should create an account. Simply use your Gmail account and you're good to go. So, additional information for you inside Wirestock. It only accepts PNG and it does not accept JPEG file or JPG. As usual, the photos around the internet is usually JPEG or JPG, so I suggest turning them first to PNG. So let's use this website. I'm gonna just open it. So this is the tool that we're gonna use. It's gonna be called TinyWow. So once you're here, just look for this exact tool that says JPEG to PNG. So basically, we're gonna convert JPG to PNG right here. Upload the file and just look for any photo or the photo that you want to convert. For example, this one right here. It's gonna be JPEG. Let me just finish the capture real quickly. And right now, it will be converted to PNG. There are a lot of features or tools on online regarding conversion of JPEG to PNG, but for me, TinyWow is one of the best. And simply click on download, save the device, and I have it downloaded on my PC right there, without no problem. If I click on it, this is the final product. You won't see it on the naked eye regarding the difference, but if you click on the file type, let me just open it, and then right click on it, click on properties, you'll see right there, that's going to be on PNG, this one right there. Perfect. Once you have this on your landing page where basically it's going to be your portfolio, now we're going to focus on creating images. We're going to use Midjourney. Let me just open up my Midjourney account. Now this is going to be Midjourney. Now you might be confused because there isn't a lot of things going on here. There is a lot of channels and so on and so forth. Basically, I've just added Midjourney inside my server. To know how to get on that process on that, I have a video about it, so please check it out. Now, without further ado, let's try creating some image. So the most basic prompt, of course, don't forget imagine. And I'm just gonna create a single prompt right here. For example, I want a beach photo. Let me just say a beach photo. I'm gonna put it in realistic, like so. And of course, I'm gonna put it high quality. Perfect. And then I'm gonna put this command, AR. This is aspect ratio. I've explained this commands right here on my video about Midjourney, so please check it out. I'm just gonna simply click on enter and wait for the magic to happen. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here are our results. I have 1, 2, 3 examples here, and I think I like the third one better, so I'm gonna upscale it. Now to upscale it, simply click on that number 3 or U3 to get that number 3 photo. If you want the number 4, of course, click U4. And basically, we have it right here. Now with this one, you can simply click on it and check for any other changes. If you're satisfied with it, simply download it, right click on it, save image. And we have it saved on our PC right now. Let me just put it on my desktop. Put number 1, and basically let's go back to Wirestock. So this is gonna be Wirestock again. I wanna show you this first before going back inside it. If I open my file explorer and look at the photo we got, click on properties, you'll see that it's currently around this size. Let me just look for it. It's going to be 1024 by 1024. Now we can increase that by upscaling it. I'm going to use this website. So we're going to use this website to upscale some images. So you can have two options here. Click on the image tools or hover your mouse right here and look for upscale option. And with this one, I cannot see it. I'm having a hard time looking for it. So I'm just going to click on the second option. Let me just re-click that one. And we have it right there, upscale image. Click on it. Now you have two options. You can drag your file here or upload it. Click on that one. And then let's just wait for a file explorer. I'm gonna look for desktop. Click number 1 right there. Wait for it to upload. I'm gonna get back to you once it's done. So here we have it. We have two options, increase it by 2 or by 4. I'm gonna go for 4 and click on upscale. And it's just gonna ask us for a captcha. And basically with this one, it's gonna be processed right now. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here we have it. the photo we have right now has been upgraded to, I think it is going to be 4K, 496 by 496, and we have it upscaled right now. Now next up, we're just going to upload it on Wirestock. Let me just remove these and go back to Wirestock. So we have Wirestock right here. Simply click on that option right there that says upload. Choose computer if you have it on your computer, and look for the video or photo. So I have this one right here. This is the original one for Midjourney. And let's look for downloads and upload the one that has been upscaled. So currently right now it's uploading, as you can see in the bottom left corner. And you'll see this grayed out options. There are a lot of tools here. And wait for the item to upload. And once uploaded, you'll see these options. So you have an option to upload some more. So basically you're uploading multiple images at a time. And this one, if you click on this, you'll have two options, easy and manual. So for easy is basically adding some description with it, add initial info, for example, add specific details about location, food, or plant names. If you want to put it on manual, it's a bit more complicated. There is some very specific details about it. For me, I'm gonna go for easy. I'm gonna type in beach photo. Basically with that one, I'm good with it. There are some marketplaces to share it with. We have right here, I think this is Adobe. This is Twitter or X. This is Google, and so on and so forth. If you click on challenges, basically this one, 24-hour challenge, live in interiors. And then make sure this is checked up. Make sure this cell form portfolio is checked. Caption, I'm gonna type in beach photo again with this one. And then you can edit portfolio price. You can put it for $2, $5, may have what you wanna put a price there, it's up to you. And basically click on post and you'll be good to go. And by the way guys, this is already done. You have an option here to upgrade your plan, but for now I'm gonna remain on the free trial. I'm gonna click on escape right there, go back. I wanna check on my portfolio right now, and we have it right there. If you click on it, basically this is our photo right now. You can buy the print, download it, and then you'll gain money with other customers. And now, an additional information to know what is the trending images right now. For example, is it beach photo? Or is it some farm photo or any other photos? And by the way, you can check that using this website. It's gonna be called Adobe Stock. Now for this one, you'll know the trending or top photos that are being sold in the market or internet right now. So just create your account right here. Once created, simply go on the very bottom corner. You'll see this option that says sell. This one right here, sell images. Once you click on this one, you create an account. You can use your Gmail and you'll arrive on this landing page. This one right here. And once you're here, make sure you click on Insight, and you'll see the top sellers from January 29th to Feb 4. These are the latest. You have photos, illustrations, and vectors. For photos, these are the ones that are being sold at the top section right here. And basically get some ideas. These are your inspirations. Also, once you're here on Adobe Stock, if you choose the exact template or genre you like, for example, this one right here, this guy wearing the orange shirt, if I click on it, it will redirect me on the exact photo with the exact keywords that you can use or it has been used as a prompt. So you can copy this prompt and use them on your Midjourney and have fun with it. You can even download the preview. And that being said, have fun with it. Thank you so much.